Folks, welcome to the Ramsey Loft, where overpriced rat pigeons are bred, according to a show breeder on Facebook, who felt it necessary to come bother me in my personal group and say that. Not like in a private message, but like he's trying to open everybody to the light. Don't know what was going on there. Maybe he thought people that come to me for pigeons don't know any better. Don't know there's better show quality options. Maybe he thinks I'm ripping folks off. I don't know. Y'all see all the time I spend cleaning in here. All the work I spend with birds. Everything that goes into training them. The research papers that my training methods are built off of. That little guy got his picture in the paper yesterday. Yeah, I'm salty. I'm a salty, salty muffin. Guess that makes me a biscuit. I'm a salty biscuit. I've had some interesting social developments today. That one in particular. Rigby has officially divorced Jet. And I was wrong about Karen not being able to tread. Excuse me, it took him a couple, 2 or 3 tries. But towards the end of the night, sorry, I keep trying to adjust the focus because the lighting ain't great. Towards the end of the night, he actually did complete the cloacal kiss. Now, he's not going to be here long enough to help her with those eggs. You know, if he actually filled any. But she has absolutely no interest in her former mate. So, when Lily comes of age on the 24th, it looks pretty good for us to retire Jet. Sorry, buddy, your ex has spoken. That's okay, though. He was a beloved favorite of the folks he came from. I'm just gonna send him back. Treat him like he was alone. That's better. Not great, but better. I'll eventually get to where I can focus reliably in low light. Not exactly dark in here. There is a light overhead. I just can't camera for the life of me. Oh well. I got a bunch of paperwork to do and questions to answer when I get in. It's nice to be able to just spend some quiet time with the birds before that. Watch what they do. Betty and Hagrid been all over each other all day. Sammy's been trying to steal his mom and dad's former nest box. Love those cozy pigeon noises. Oh, hey, Hagrid. Well, tonight is Bean and Agnes and Bram and Cheek's last here. They'll be heading out to their new loft tomorrow. What a pretty girl. Hey, Betty. You want another knee? You Alapreenin. I ain't allowed to Alapreen them back. I usually just keep out of their way and let them do what they want to. Hey, Ellie. You want up here? No? Alright. Oh my god, my keys make jangly sounds. You like the jangly sounds. Luca has a home lined up for him in Florida. He'll be heading off on the 2nd of next month. Hey, Betty. And you too. Something bothering you? Got that feather fragment loose, huh? Alright, I see everybody else. Where's Puddin'? Let's see. Well, it's getting about time to sign off. Thank you to my subscribers here on YouTube, my patrons on Patreon, my followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. Appreciate y'all very much.